Tired of soggy, messy stacks of paper towels cluttering your restroom counters? Imagine replacing that chaos with a sleek, hygienic solution that not only looks professional but also delivers a superior hand-drying experience. Kleenex Ultra Soft Hand Towels in a convenient pop-up box offer exactly that, an effortless upgrade to your restroom's image and functionality. Each box contains 120 premium folded towels, sized at 9.0 inches by 10.25 inches, crafted from ultra-soft virgin fibers that absorb moisture quickly and thoroughly. What sets these towels apart are the innovative absorbency pockets designed to soak up water efficiently, so your guests leave with dry, comfortable hands every time. The pop-up dispenser ensures one towel is dispensed at a time, minimizing contact and boosting hygiene by preventing cross-contamination. Plus, the box features a water-resistant coating and poly shield, protecting the towels from moisture and keeping them fresh. Beyond performance, Kleenex Ultra Soft Hand Towels meet EPA standards for post-consumer waste and carry Eco Logo and FSC certifications. This means you're choosing a product that supports environmental responsibility without sacrificing quality. The recyclable countertop box fits seamlessly into Kimberly-Clark professional dispensers, available in various sleek styles that complement any restroom decor. From offices to hotels, this solution fits any space that values convenience and a premium guest experience. One user shared how these towels replaced linen towels at large gatherings, especially during cold and flu season, highlighting their multi-purpose durability. They're even sturdier than traditional paper towels, making them ideal for homemade disinfecting wipes without soaking up too much alcohol, practical and versatile. If you're ready to ditch messy towel stacks and offer a cleaner, more upscale restroom experience, Kleenex Ultra Soft Hand Towels are worth a look. Their thoughtful design not only improves hygiene but also elevates your facility's image effortlessly. Try them when you're ready to make a subtle yet impactful change your guests will notice and appreciate. Elevate your restroom today with Kleenex Ultra Soft Hand Towels, where comfort, cleanliness, and convenience come together in one smart package. Order a case and see how easy it is to provide a touch of care that makes a lasting impression.